Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to juice wheatgrass without a juicer. First, let's explore using a blender, a common kitchen appliance. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh wheatgrass, rinsed well. Cut it into small 1-inch pieces. Add these to your blender with approximately 1/4 cup of water. Blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is smooth and vibrant green. This method is quick and efficient for extracting the juice. After blending, the next crucial step is straining to separate the juice from the pulp. Position a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag over a clean bowl. Carefully pour the blended wheatgrass mixture into your chosen straining tool. Now, firmly press down on the pulp, using a spoon or your hands if using a bag, to squeeze out every last drop of that nutrient-rich liquid. Discard the remaining fibrous material. For a more traditional approach, consider using a mortar and pestle. Begin by washing and chopping about 1/2 cup of fresh wheatgrass into small pieces. Place these pieces into your mortar. Now, with your pestle, begin to grind the wheatgrass, applying firm pressure. Continue this grinding motion for several minutes until the wheatgrass breaks down into a pulpy, wet consistency, releasing its valuable liquid. Once you've achieved a pulpy consistency with the mortar and pestle, it's time to extract the juice. Gather the ground wheatgrass pulp into a clean cheesecloth or a thin, clean kitchen towel. Hold the cloth over a cup and twist it tightly, squeezing out the liquid. Continue squeezing until no more juice can be extracted. You'll be left with a vibrant, fresh wheatgrass shot, ready to enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.